In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play on multiple Roblox accounts at the exact same time. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and close out of Roblox and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome for this, but you could really use whatever you'd like and just search up Process Explorer and hit enter. And you're going to want to select this first link from Microsoft Learn. Open this up. You're going to see an option to download Process Explorer. Select this and it's going to download a zip file for you right here. Just go ahead and drag this zip file onto your desktop. From here, close out of Chrome and right click on that zip file and hit extract all, then hit extract and then open up the file that it will go ahead and extract. You're going to see a bunch of different options in here. Go ahead and find the PROCEXP file and right click on it and then hit run as administrator. Hit yes, and then it's going to open up a tab that looks something like this for you. From here, open up Roblox Player. And I'm going to drag this off to the side, but essentially what you're going to want to do is hit view on this, go to show lower pane and make sure this is ticked on. And for lower pane view, make sure that it says handles right here. After doing that, search for Roblox and hit enter. Select the Roblox player beta.exe. And then what you're looking for in here is a specific event tab that says singleton event. Find this one, right click on it and then hit close handle. Yes. And then it's going to go red. And from here, you can go ahead and open up another Roblox player. When you open this up, what you're going to want to do is simply sign in to your account on it by hitting more, scrolling down, and then logging out of your main account. Hit sign in, and then you could sign in using any of the sign in methods to sign in with a secondary account. Whenever you do get signed in though, what it's going to do after it loads for a second is going to sign you out of your main account on this one. So just wait for it to load a sec and then just sign back in. And once you sign back in, you can go ahead and either get loaded into the exact same game or separate games. In this case, I'll show you that this will work with the exact same game. So I'll get and please donate on both of them. I wonder if we'll get in the same lobby. It doesn't look like it. Obviously, you can do this by getting in a private lobby as well. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. As you can see, we got two processes running at the exact same time. And it really is as simple as that. Oh, look, actually, I am in the same game. Here we are. To switch between them, just hit Alt-Tab and you are good to go, or just switch. And then you can make this full screen, switch them on to different screens. It really is super simple. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.